Attention investors, did you purchase auction rate securities? Were you told these investments were safe and liquid? Many who've invested in auction rate securities with companies such as AG Edwards, Bank of America, UBS, Wachovia, Merrill Lynch, and Citicorp can no longer access their money, even though brokers sold auction rate securities as secure, liquid investments. If you've invested in auction rate securities and can't access your money, or if your investment lost value, you may have a claim to compensation. Call 800-606-9131.